Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. We're here to talk about aluminum again today. Today, though, we got three interesting little products that I'd like to go over with you. But first of all, I got to remind you how we make this stuff. We start with billet, aluminum billet. We extrude all this. We make the hand trucks. We make the mini pallet, the deck, the ramp, everything here. That's our specialty. We're here to make products to make your life a better world. Now, based on that, I'm going to talk about the hand truck. The hand truck's got an 18-inch nose plate by 9-inch deep. This can be removed. You've got the bolts there. You've got a P handle on here. It's very easy to work. And then you also have the anti-skid tapes on here. So when you go down the steps or up a step, you can drag that up there and it'll work fine. Now, don't forget, we offer two different kinds of wheels. We offer air-filled and flat-free wheels. Now I want to show you our little mini pallet. The design behind here is very simple. We go right underneath. We isolate the bag of cat food in this case, or cans of pop, or whatever you're going to do. But that nose plate does not interfere with that between the two products. This mini pallet intercepts that, keeps it from tearing this bag, so it makes it easy for you to come along and pick up goods and move them around and not have anything get damaged. That mini pallet is well worth its money in gold, trust me. This is what would happen in a conventional situation where you have a bag of dog food or cat food and you're trying to get it unloaded, and then of course you try and pull it out. We always know what happens. Something gets torn. It always does. And sure as heck, we've got dog food all over the place. So that's why you want to use our mini pallet. It covers that all up. It makes it safer. You're not going to have any problems whatsoever. Now also, I just want to show you, obviously this is just a ramp, but what I'd like to show you is how this ramp is built. This again is designed for a small curb. Just got to stop here, so when you do use it, it's not going to push forward and slide. It has a handle here. It has the anti-skid tape on it, and we put a ridge on the outside of it so that you've got a safety. So when you do go up it, you're not going to be worried about going off the edge. It's just impossible. It's going to stop you practically. So that's what those side rails are about. Very handy item, especially for delivery people and things like that. For more information, call us or visit our website at newageindustrial.com. We can solve your problems and make your life a better place to live. Thank you very much.